Me tell you about garden, down there no expect no flowers. Crazy shoot out with 5 hours. Crazy on the click, them no deal with bowers. No hours whenever it rain, it showers.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, this is gonna be a short video. I want to talk about this youth because yesterday, this subscriber made this comment about Jingo. Look at the screen right now. The subscriber said, Jingo, a chichi man, we kill the girl, we find out say him and Trevor did gay. And Trevor they are jail for murder and Jingo still they are road. But before me do that, I want to address Top Striker 8720. Yo, pum pum, me not afraid of you. You threaten me, but when you see me a road in a foreign, me I go dead. Yo, me I go report you to the FBI. You understand? And that me I go do. And me I go set my goons them pan you. You understand? And that me I do. Me I report you to the police and me I set my bad man blood clot friend them pan you. Pussy, anywhere you see me, a guns out. Remember me tell you that. You think countryman a paper soldier, eh? You think, yo, me not afraid of none of you. You see, a boy like you make Jamaica and Trinidad the way it is. You not try intimidate me. Yo, me I do some good for my country. Yo, country first, Jamaica first, Trinidad first, the Caribbean first, pussy. You understand? What you want me do? They are so. And up all with them pussy they are do? Hell no. Yo, me I tell you, if you come back on the channel and threaten me, me I go track you down and me I set police pan you. And me I go set bad man pan your bumbo clad. Yo, my youth, you not even know me. Me a war boat. Cause me love blood clot war. And that me I tell you. You understand? Don't come back on that channel yeah. Come threaten me. You understand? And that me I tell you. Waste man. D man. You understand? Top Striker. I warn you. The next time you do that, me I go send police pan you. And me I send some bad man pan your bumbo clad. You must think I play, me I play. Me apologize for cuss up the bad word, but you see me not like people threaten me, you know. Me not like people threaten me. And anybody threaten me is a problem. Now, who is Jingo? Jingo is Andy Fall brother and the First Lady brother. You understand? Now, me not have no picture of Jingo. But if anybody out there who have a picture, you can send it to me, please. So, look at the screen in front of you. Remember, a viewer came on the channel and made this comment underneath the video I did yesterday. The viewer said Jingo is a B-man where slap where the young lady there when she find out say him and Trevor was gay, cause she catch them I do certain things, you understand? Catch them I do the nastiness. And next thing you know, them say Jingo, him and Trevor slap with the girl, and now Trevor they are jail for that same thing there. You understand? I want to know, read it, you know. Me I put it over in the next scene. Look at this. Now people, look at the screen in front of you. Like me say, people get mad at me, them a kill the messenger. But me just a carry the message and me make it up. Jingo, them say a woman right there and him come from Western Kingston. Them say him slap with him girl when she catch him and Trevor Blacks from Java in a bed. I do the thing. And now Trevor Blacks, him there at prison for the thing. So I just show you. Now, with that said, I want to make a little speech to the people. Now, Jamaica got independence in the 60s, right? And when we get independence, certain political parties were formed, PNP and JLP. Now, when we get independence, we were supposed to be a better nation and a better country. Because now people's lives were going to change. The government was going to do the right thing. But I realized after we got independence, it was a big time stealing, where them steal our country from us. And this is the two political parties, PNP and JLP. Now, anybody who sit here and say I am lying, on the know say I lie and I tell, and lightning I go strike you know. Now, the PNP have them stronghold, the JLP have them stronghold. Them turn the whole country into garrison. Them have certain areas where them give the youths them guns and all sort of thing. And from both parties, you see what I'm saying? And turn the youths them into dons. And this is what we are dealing with. So all of this that I am talking about, it's the bigger picture that leads to this. You see what I'm saying? And people are really don't want to believe it. It affects all of our lives in our country. What is even more sad, you have brilliant youth come out of these garrisons where the politicians them create for us. And for example, say a youth like Dudos, smart, bright, and he had the potential to be the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. But the system that the politicians them create suck him into it. And now you know he ends up in jail and the politician them is free. Our neighborhoods are run over with guns and killings. And there is no future for the youths them in the garrison. And all of that I am talking about, with the gay, the this, the that, man I grind off people, young daughter and them thing that, it's because of the situation with independence and how them deal. Jamaica, a bad deck of card. Now, me talk about George TANYA, you understand, yesterday. And this is a little update. Now, George TANYA, he was Jim Brown's brother-in-law. He was one of the most brutal and heartless man will come out of the Western Kingston. You see what I'm saying? Now, look at the next screen. Read what's on the screen. Remember now, George TANYA, him have a sister named Jane. Jane, she and Jim Brown have a daughter that named Mumpy. You understand? Now, Mumpy was involved with Andy Fowl and she had a miscarriage. And the reason why I'm telling you this, I just want to see the circle, the continuous circle of these people. So you know it's not normal, it really not normal. But George TANYA was one of the worst kind of person. Jim Brown better than him. Remember me tell you that. With that said, I am going to wrap this up. But before I go, I got a part 4 coming out on the Trinidad. We are going to talk about some good youths in the community. And there's one youth I've been seeing popping up all over. Johnny Bravo. I'm going to definitely talk about that man and a couple other people in the part 4 of the Trinibad You Ain't No Killer. Cause I have to show some good things that coming out of the Trinibad scene. Last but not least, I have a young lady. She's gonna do a live interview with me. And she's from the Western Kingston. And she's gonna explain some things what happened to close friends that she know, and it's gonna make your all skin crawl. With that said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, all of the subscribers and everybody, I want to big up on yourself, and thanks for the support. Countryman loving you. I'm out.